I don't know what they're talking about with heart-shaped bristles. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Hello, my name is Helen, and today we are going to be getting into the July BoxyCharm Premium Box unboxing. So here is my Big Bertha box here. It is hefty, it is very heavy. I will have it listed down below what weight it is, but I am super excited to get in here. I have seen some spoilers, some people opening their boxes already, and there are such great variations out there. So I'm super excited to see what variation I got and see what kind of goodies I got. Let's just get right into it. So I will open the box. I am definitely on vacation brain. Here's the box inside. Basically, I am leaving this week to go to the Seattle, Washington area. I'm going to go hiking and enjoy nature and the outdoors, practice safe social distancing. So I am super excited for that, but I'm already kind of like there mentally. I'm leaving 2 days and I just kind of like threw my hair in a messy bun, put on some like light summery makeup, and wanted to get this out to you guys quickly. So actually by the time this airs, I'll already be on vacation, so that's super exciting. So this month's BoxyCharm theme, I guess, this month's BoxyCharm theme is sunshine, and that is what the card looks like. Looks nice and refreshing, like I want some lemonade. And then I have variation 59. All right, we're just gonna open this guy up. So first thing I see is the Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Collection. And this is the packaging. So this was my choice item for July. So I knew I was getting this and I'm excited to get it. I've not used their products before, so it'll be kind of fun to play around with. It is a really like hefty palette. It's pretty heavy feeling. I've not made my August choice yet because they did postpone that. They mentioned like a new website or something along those lines, or they're doing some sort of maintenance, I'm not sure. But this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a brush, which I'm just going to take out so it doesn't fall, but double-sided brush. I generally don't really like the brushes that come with palettes. And here is the palette. And this is the Drama Queen palette. So it has some really nice eyeshadow shimmers. Looks like it has maybe like blushes. Yeah, so bronzer, translucent powder, blushes. It's got some eyeshadows, so these are really pretty. I'll do a couple swatches real quick for you guys. Specifically this green one looks interesting, and then this purple one. Ooh, that's a really pretty like plum color. So those are those two swatched. They are nicely pigmented. They have a really pretty shine to them. So this is a fun little palette to play around with. So what I'm going to do, similar to my June boxes, I have received my premium first. My base box has not shipped yet. I did receive an email that it's supposed to be shipping potentially like by the end of this week. So it's the 14th of July right now. So potentially by the end of this week it'll be shipping. So I'll probably receive it next week once I'm back from vacation. And then for that video, I'll do the unboxing for the base box, and then I'll do a makeup look using things from both boxes, basically. I think that just works out best. I don't think I've ever received my premium and my base like on the same day or even within like a day or two of each other. So it just kind of works out better for me. If I do ever start receiving them like at the same time, then I'll just probably do one like epic video for you guys, so you don't have to wait for the next one to come out. So first item was my choice. All right, looking in here, there's some good stuff. Like, I'm excited for this box. So the next item I have is the Nelson J Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. So it says it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends. Okay, so it obviously It's a hair mask. It has argan oil, 7 formula, delivers a combination of multiple benefits. Oh, you know what? This time as I'm going through, I'm going to go through and give you guys the prices as well. So the Brow Bar by Rima had an MSRP of $45. This has an MSRP of $24. So it says this 100% argan oil derived moisturizing hair treatment is for color treated, dry, or damaged hair. My hair is color treated, dry, and damaged, so perfect. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine, and enhances hair natural body. So I 100% will check this out and see if I like it. It says it's coconut scented, which I'm a fan of. I love coconut scent. It does have a safety seal, which I love. I'm just gonna open this and get that. Yep. Smells like coconut, smells like sunscreen, or you're spending the day out on the beach. So that's nice. Looking forward to trying that out. Next up, I have, this one's interesting. So it is an item from Milk Makeup, and it says it is the Kush Lash Primer. A lash primer with thickening heart-shaped fibers. Ooh, that sounds really exciting. And conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for a volumizing base. That sounds awesome. I am excited to try this. I'm gonna take a look at what the wand looks like. The color is White Widow. This is like, this could be a weapon. It is heavy, like it is really heavy. It like feels like it's like glass or something. And then this is what the brush looks like. I don't know what they're talking about with heart-shaped bristles. That sounded like, no, I read it right. Heart-shaped bristles. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't have much of a scent to it. I did just try, you probably can't see it too well on camera. Maybe I'll look up. I did just get a new mascara by Maybelline. It's probably not a new mascara, but it is a new to me mascara. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. And I really like this. This turned out really good. So I am really excited to try this out, and maybe I'll try it with my new favorite mascara. So very cool. We have received Milk before in BoxyCharm. I was not a fan of that product. It just wasn't really my cup of tea. It was like the little blush, little cream blush. It just had a little too much glitter in it for me. I know it could use it on my lips and stuff too, but meh, it wasn't my favorite. This Milk Makeup Lash Primer has an MSRP of $24. All right, next up we have the I don't know how to say this. The Broy Bitter Essence Toner. The Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. I'm all for that. This has an MSRP of $95. That's a lot. It is very heavy. Maybe it's worth the $95? I don't... Like, this feels like it should be glass, but I think it's just plastic. This is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. Like, it'll look really nice on my bathroom vanity, and it kind of has like a gloopy texture. Okay, it's got like a safety seal thing going. Oh yeah, see, like it has this little plastic pull thing. So you pull this up and now it's in use. It doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells green, smells fresh, I guess. Green, fresh, whatever. But that's kind of nice. I am looking forward to trying this out and see if I like that. That's one of those items I've never heard of. I don't know if 95 is an accurate or like true price point, but that's all right. I'm cool with it. My messy bun is starting to flop. All right, next up I have Cuccio, I don't know how to say it. Cuccio Naturale. We're gonna go with Cuccio Naturale. Milk and honey cuticle revitalizing oil. So this is kind of a funny story. I have had this exact cuticle oil in my Amazon cart, like saved items, for like over a year. I don't know why I haven't purchased it yet. It's one of those, like, I put it in my cart every time I'm about to make a purchase, and then I'm like, I don't need it right now. I'll just wait and I'll get it next time. And then I take it out of the cart and put it in saved items. But now I don't have to buy it because I just got it in this box. I'm so excited. It's a unique, natural, hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. So I am so excited to try this out. I have to remember to stop talking when I'm opening packages. Editing Helen will thank me for doing that, and I keep forgetting. I am very excited to check this out. I will smell it real quick. I won't apply it yet. I don't want to get anything else greasy or oily. It smells really nice. It's just like nice and light. Awesome. This is gonna be great. Especially in the winter, my cuticles get super dried out and they start like bleeding and it's just horrible. So love it, love it, love it. So I have saved the best, in my opinion, the best for last. Oh, the cuticle oil, the MSRP for that is $18. And I will say the oil on Amazon, based on being in my cart, is only like $7 or something like that. So I don't know about the $18, but I'm sure full price it is. So last but not least, I kind of saved this because I'm so excited for it. I received the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. So a couple of months ago, I received the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I absolutely love that palette. That is also by Manny MUA. I have recently, probably within the last, I don't know, maybe 6 months or so, started watching his YouTube videos. And he just has like so much character and he's funny and I just enjoy watching him. So I am really excited for this palette. I have not used Morphe products in the past other than like brushes. I've used some of their brushes. Oh, I have used a lip product. It was like a liquid lipstick. I was not a huge fan of that. So I kind of like shuffled it out to whoever, like I probably gave it to my mom or something. But I am excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. Let's get her open. It is bubble wrapped inside, which I love. This is really pretty. I'm gonna cover the mirror and show you guys what this palette looks like. This is super pretty. There's like really nice neutrals and a couple of like pops of color. And then there's like some nice highlighters. I'm gonna swatch a couple. Oh, that's fun. And they're like Leo, Cancer, Aries, Scorpio. So kind of some astrology. I'm gonna wipe off my other two swatches real quick so we can get some fresh swatches from this palette. So I'm gonna swatch Leo, Cancer, and Gamenta. I don't know. Probably saying that completely wrong. It's a little powdery, or not so much powdery, but like in order to get the payoff, I had to dip a few times. But that is those three colors. They are super pretty. Let me do a highlight swatch real quick. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's like super light highlight. Yeah, these are really pretty. So I'm super excited to check out this palette. I'll probably end up using a combination of like this palette and the other palette I received in this box when I do my full face look. And we'll see. I don't know if there are eyeshadow palettes going out in the base boxes at all, but if I receive another eyeshadow palette there, we'll see. It'll be eyeshadows galore, but this is super cute. I really like the colors in here. I think there's like a really nice mix of neutrals and a little bit pops of color. So, and that is my BoxyCharm Premium Box in its entirety. So I would definitely say I scored big on this one. Everything in here I'm excited to try or something that I wanted to get in my box. Oh, and the Morphe palette, I don't think I mentioned, the MSRP for that was $20. So this month's premium box for me came to a total of $226 and I spent $35 on this box. So again, pretty good bang for your buck. And I received items that are new to me that I've never tried before that were definitely like on my list of things I wanted. So I am really happy with this one's premium box. I'm hoping that the base box lives up to the premium box. I know last month for July, it is July. I know last month for June, the Luxe box was phenomenal, and then the premium box was just kind of so-so for me. So I'm hoping that the base box is just as good this month. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, whether they're unboxings or if they're just regular like makeup videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!